guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I'll be teaching you all how to draw a daisy today. Quick fun fact about daisies. As you can see, I'm journaling here. They can grow up to 20 centimeters in height. Thought that was quite cool because I haven't seen any daisies in my town that tall. Yeah. So here's a quick little time lapse that I did of me doing my daisy sketch. Yeah, just to show you guys how yours could end up if you decide to add on all the little extra details that I have. And also this image is my first drawing of my collection called Enjoy the Little Things, so this is very exciting. Okay, cool, let's get into it. So the first step, you start by drawing an oval, choose the angle you want to have your flower facing, and then step 2, you add the petals, so then again choose which way you want your petals to fall or face. Step 3, you add the stalk, so yeah, try keep it thin and maybe a little bit at an angle too, nice curve in the line. And then step 4, you can add a leaf to your stalk. And then last step, you can get creative, and I added some more leaves and I added like a bud. Yeah, so you kind of have your freedom to whatever you want to add on to your image, you can. Yeah, just get creative with it. These also very like rough sketches, so yeah, enjoy it, and I'm so keen to see how they all turn out. Please do tag me in them on Instagram, or yeah, wherever. I would love to see how they turn out. Yeah, amazing. If you want to see more flower drawings, I'm going to continue to do different types of flowers, so stay tuned for more. Thanks so much. Hope you had a good drawing. Bye.